Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine after doing a tune-up and replacing the pressure gauge. So let's go ahead and test the machine. Do the one-handed pull while I hold the iPad here, see how good I can do. Oh yeah, we're getting nice crema here. Look at that crema. Beautiful. And this is Verve from Santa Cruz. Just a really great coffee. And let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.